Okay, so I have my hot glue gun out here. What I'm trying to do here is, in actual fact, this ribbon is slightly smaller than the cake board. And that's one of the reasons I knew that going into this. That's one of the reasons I made sure that this chocolate fondant actually went over the edge a little bit. Because if I knew if I went right to the edge and then put this ribbon up, you would still see a little bit of the cake board. And this may happen to you sometimes, you know, if the bride and groom are the ones that actually bring you the ribbon, it might not be the correct size, or sometimes you can't find the right size for the color, the right size width in the color that you want. So that's why I went slightly over. Now when I put this on, what I need to do is just make sure that the bottom of the ribbon is actually flush with the cake board under here. So my hand's right on the cake board, so you can't see any of the cake board down below. So just take some of this and do small sections at a time. I have one little section right here where I can see the cake board where the fondant didn't go over enough, and you know, I'm going to fill that in with the royal icing so you won't be able to see it. So now what I'm doing here is going back. Remember that little area I showed you that I could see the wood board? So this is the same dark royal icing that I used earlier. And I'm just kind of filling that in like so. Okay, and then get these little hot glue cobwebs off and clean it up. And I think we're all finished. Voila! Beautiful fall wedding cake.